Hello students, welcome back to the NAG Maths Class 4 Exercise 1A. As I have already solved in the previous some classes from question number 1 to question number 15, today I am going to solve from question number 16. So I have already written the question on the board, which says the age of your father is 44 years, your grandfather is 20 years older than your father, and your grandmother is 8 years younger than your grandfather. What is the age of your grandmother? So first you have to check what you have to find out. That is the age of your grandmother. So suppose the age of grandmother is equal to say X years. Okay. So now here what the question says, your grandmother is 8 years younger than your grandfather. Therefore, the age of grandfather is equal to 8 years younger. That means 8 years older will be your grandfather from your grandmother. So, the age of grandfather is X plus 8 years. Okay. Next, your grandfather is 28 years older than your father. Okay, that means the father is 28 years younger than the grandfather. So the age of father is equal to x plus 8 minus 28 years, which is x 28 minus 8, that is 20, and the minus sign will be here. This is years. Now according to the question, the age of your, I have understood it wrong. The age of your father is 44. Acha. Given the age of the father is equal to what? 44 years. Again, the age of the father is how much? X minus 20. Therefore, we can equate these to 44. From the equation, from the condition, we have got the age of the father is x minus 20 years. Again, in the question it is given the age of the father is 44 years. That means from this we can solve it out. Or how much you have to put instead in place of x, so that after subtracting 20 from x you will get 44. That is 44. Let me teach you a new technique. from the equal sign, if on the left hand side, if the sign is minus, then on the right hand side it will turn into positive, and if it is addition here, it will be subtraction. If it is multiplication, then there will be division. Division, multiplication. So here it is minus 20. On the right hand side of the equal, it will become plus 20. Or x is equal to 44 plus 20. It is become 4, 6, 64. That means what? What is the x? X is the age of the grandmother. So therefore, the age of the grandmother is x. X means what? 64. So 64 years. This is the answer. Okay. So it is a new technique. In higher classes, this method is being used. Okay. So if you face any problem, just let me know so that I can use any alternate method for you. Okay. I hope you understand. Let us move on to the next question, which is question number 17. Question number 17 says, having rupees 5.20 from your father and rupees 2.70 from your mother, you buy from a shop a copy at rupees 1.50, a pencil at 50 paise, and eraser at 40 paise, and books for rupees 4.75. How much is left with you? Let us read out the question once again. That is, having rupees 5.20 from your father and rupees 2.70 from your mother, you buy from a shop a copy at rupees 1.50, a pencil at 50 paise, and eraser at 40 paise, and books for rupees 4.75. How much is left with you? Okay. So it is a two part. In one part, you are collecting the money, and the another part you are expensing the money. So, how much you have collected? Let us see. Like total money you have is equal to your father gave you rupees 5 point father gave you rupees 5.20 plus and your mother gave you 2.70. So how much is the total money? Rupees, just let us do the addition in the rough. So point will come down at the point. So 0, 7 plus 2, 9 and 5 plus 2, 7. So total you have 7.90. Okay. This much money you have in your hand which you have collected from your father and mother. Next, and how much you are expensing? Now total expenses is equal to you bought a copy for rupees 1.50 plus a pencil at 50 paisa. Acha, here in the rough rupees 1 means 100 paisa. That means if you divide 100 with paisa, it will become 1 rupees. Okay, because 100 divided by 100 becomes 1. Okay, so this is the method. So similarly, rupees 200 is equal to what? 200 paisa. And if you divide 100, that means what? 0 0 cancel. That means 2 paise, 2 rupees. Okay, so every time you have to put 100. Here that means 50 paise means, here 50 paise means if you divide 100, then 0 0, 5 ones are 5 or 2. Half means 0.5, 0.50 paise. That means 50 paise is equal to 0.50 rupees. Okay, so in the similar way, 40 paise is equal to how much rupees? 0.40 rupees. Okay, so total expense is rupees 1.50. Copy a pencil at 50 paise. That means 50 paise means rupees 0.50 plus eraser at 40 paise. 40 paise means 0.40 rupees. 40 rupees plus and books for rupees 4.75. Okay, this is, you have to be very careful while solving these questions. NAG is very enjoyable if you know the logic. Now, what is the total amount of this? 1.50, 0.50, 0.40 and 4.75. Addition, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 7, 21. Carry over 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So total expenses is rupees 7.15. Now, next, the therefore the amount is left with you is equal to how much you had, rupees 7.90, and how much you have expensed, this much. So rupees 7.90 minus rupees 7.15. So what is the value? 7.90 minus 7.15. Take 1 from 9, 9 will become 8. So 5 to 10, we have to count 5. 1 to 8, we have to count 7. And this 7 to 7, this is 0. So it is rupees 0.75. This is the answer. Or in rupees, if you multiply 100, it will turn into paise. Or into 100, if you put into 100, then it is become 75.00. That means what? Paise. That means 75 paise. You can end up here or you can go up to this also. Okay. I hope you understand this. It is a very good and a very logical problem, and if you understand it, okay. So I don't know how all of you uh, reacting to these sums, whether you are able to do it, solve it or not. Let me know, okay. Otherwise, I will try to solve with any other alternate method, okay. So let us move on to the next question, that is question number 18. And from question number 18 it is starting a new pattern problems. Okay. So let us see what is given in question number 18. Question number 18, it says call out the answers. Call out the answers. That is question number 1. 50 plus 60 is equal to question mark. Here 50 means what? 5 tens, plus 60 means 6 tens. So 50 plus 60 is equal to, what is the sum of these two? First, when there is 0, 0 plus 0, put 0. And 5 plus 6, just count, it will become 11. Okay, so it is 110. So write it in words. 110. This is the answer. Okay, next question number 2. Isn't the question number 18 very easy? 90 plus 80 is equal to how much? 0 plus 0, 0. 9 plus 8, what? 17. That means 9 tenths plus 8 tenths is equal to 170. Next, question number 3. 160 plus 150. So you have to do the rough here. 160, 150 plus 0 0, 6 plus 5 11, carry over 1, 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, 310. That means here, sorry, I have forgot to put equal to 160 plus 150 is equal to 310. Here I have written and here I omitted it. So you can write, or if you don't wish, you don't have to write also, no problem. Question number 4. 260 plus 130 is equal to 260130 plus 0 plus 0 0, 6 plus 3 9, 3 plus 1 2 plus 1 3, that is 390 is equal to 260 plus 130 is equal to 390. Okay, so these questions are very easy compared to the previous sums. Okay. Next, question number 5. 28 tens plus 27 tens is equal to, so 28 tens means 280, and 27 tens means 270. So 0 plus 0, 8 plus 7, 15, carry over 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 5. So it is 5 plus 550, that means 55 tens, or you can write 550. Okay. Next, question number 6. 70 minus 20 is equal to, so 70 and 20 subtraction 0 0, 2 to 7 we have to count 5, that means what, 50 or 5 tens. Okay. Next, question number 7. 160 minus 50 is equal to, so 160 minus 50, nothing is here underneath 1, that means 0. So 0 0, 5 to 6 we have to count 1, and 1 to 0, 1 will come down. So total is 110, that means 11 tens or 110. Question number 8. Question number 8 says 170 minus 90. So So 170 minus 99 0. That means 0. Take 1 from here. So 1 will become 0. 9 to 17, that is 8. So 80 or 8 tenths or 8 tenths. Okay, this is the answer. So the question number 18 is over. You know, like the Kesina, Kesab Chandra Nag, the mathematics is very useful if you practice it carefully. Okay, and in future, in higher classes, you will see, like, if you can solve this kind of questions at this level in higher classes, you will feel very easy about the maths. And let me tell you once again that question that uh, mathematics is very easy subject. Okay, if you do it very well logically. Next, question number 18a, which says state whether the following are correct or incorrect. Question number 1, which says 7 plus 6 is equal to 6 plus 7. What is the sum of this? 7 plus 6, that is 13, and 6 plus 7, that is also 13. That means it is correct. Correct. Next, question number 2, which says 7 minus 6 is equal to 6 minus 7. What is the result of this? 7 minus 6, that is 1, and 6 minus 7, that is minus 1, which is not equal to. That means what? It is incorrect, not equal. Question number 3. It is incorrect. Question number 3 says 8 plus 6 minus 4 is equal to 6 plus 4 minus 8. According to Bodmer's rule, which I explained to you in the previous class, which will come? Addition will be done first, then subtraction. So here addition minus, then subtraction, and what is the result of this? 10. Once again here also 6 plus 4, 10 minus 8, and what is the result of this? 2. So is 10 equal to 2? No, not equal. That means this is also not equal, but here they have put equal sign. That means it is also incorrect. Okay, I hope I can explain to you, I am able to explain to you about these sums. If there is any problem, or if you face any problem understanding these questions, okay, just let me know. Why I am repeatedly telling you all this about the whether you have understood or not, because I don't know, so many all of you are watching the videos, like I don't know you also, like what kind of level you are just following. Okay, there are various methods, various levels to do the to solve the maths. Okay, so if you want me to carry on with the same level, then also you just let me know. Now let us move on to the question number 19, which is a set of some questions. Okay, written question. It is very interesting as well. Okay, so 19 part A, which says how many zeros are there, how many zeros are there in the numbers from 10 to 100. Okay, so what is the answer? So how many zeros are there in the numbers from 10 to 100? So let us write the numbers. There is a formula which we will use in higher classes, not here. So 10. So after that, you just start counting whether there are zeros or not. 10, after that 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In 20 you will get 1 0. Again 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 89, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. So we have got all the number which has 0. Okay, so 10 to 100 we have got. So just count how many zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total 11 zeros are there in the number from 10 to 11. Okay, next question number 1 part B. How many persons are in there are in there are in the queue if your position is sixth from the front and eighth from the back. There is a line, you see. So they said, so your position is sixth from the front. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You are sixth from the front, your position. And from back, you are in the position 8. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so your position is equal here. From front, your position is 6th, and if you count reverse, your position will be in 8 from the back. So how many are how many persons are how many persons you have to count. So there is one formula from this front position plus back position minus 1 will be the total number of person. So your front position is 6 and back position is 8 minus 1, that is 14 minus 1, total will be 13. Okay, so let us check whether our answer is correct or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So from first your position is 6th from front, and from back what is 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means what? Our answer is absolutely correct. So the total number of persons here is 13 is the answer. Okay. Next. Question number C. How much less is the greatest number of 4 digit? How much less is the greatest number of 4 digits than the least number of of 5 digit. How much less is the greatest number of 4 digits than the least number of 5 digits? Okay, so let's see the least number of 5 digits is equal to 1 followed by 4 0 1 2 3 4, and greatest number of 4 digits is equal to 4 times 9 1 2 3 4, and as it is a comparison we have to do the subtraction. So there is 0 0 0 0, take 1 from here, it will become 10, it is 0, take 1 from here, 10 will become 9, take 1 from here, this 10 will become 9, take 1 from here, this 10 will become 9. So 9 to 10 we have to count 1, and 9 to 9 0, 9 to 9 0, 9 to 9 0. Okay, so the answer is 1, because these zeros which are placed on the left hand side of 1 don't have any value. So the answer is only 1. Okay, who doesn't understand this, I'm requesting you to please watch my previous videos. I have already solved this kind of problem in my previous videos. Okay, so let us move on to question number D. These are very important and interesting sum as well. Question number D says, 9 part D, the sum of two number is 24. Okay, one of them is 6. One of them is 6. Find the other. Okay, so the answer is first number plus second number. The sum of two number is 24. This any one is 6. Say first number is 6. Then what is the second number? So here, how much is the second number? So that if you add the second number with 6, that is first number, and together they will make 24. Okay, here two method. Like you have to subtract how much you have to add with 6 so that it will become 24. To get the answer, you have to subtract 6 from 24. That is 18. Okay, so the answer is 18. Or in the another method, if you take the second number is equal to 24 is already there, and from the left hand side of the equal you are transferring this number to the right. That means plus 6 will become minus 6. Sorry. Okay, so second number is equal, as it is a plus 6, it will become minus 6 when we will move it into the right hand side of the equal. So, or second number is equal to 24 minus 6, which I have already done, that is 18. So 18 is the answer here. Okay, next. Question number 19A. The difference of two number is 12. The smaller number is 32. Find the greater number. Okay, so the answer. The difference of two number is 12. So difference means the subtraction, or the subtraction is always done from the greater number to the smallest number. So greater number minus smaller number is equal to 12, or the smaller number is already given, that means the greater number minus smaller number is 32 is equal to 12, or greater number is equal to 12, or it is minus 32 is going from left hand side to right hand side of the equal sign, so it will become plus 32, or greater number is equal to 32 plus 12, that is 2 plus 2 4 and 3 plus 1 4, so the number is 44. This is the answer. Okay, next question number F. Ratna's Krishna's Athasis and Mausumi's ages add up to 84 years. What will be their ages add up to 5 years hence? What it says, their sum of their ages, Ratna plus Krishna plus Atosi plus Mausami is 84. Now, this said, what will be their ages add up to 5 years hence? After 5 years, it will be, Ratna will be 5 years older as Krishna, Atosi and Mausami. So, how much total you have to add? 5 plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 5, 20. That means 84 plus 20 is equal to 104 years. Okay, or either without adding you can see how many fives are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 fives are 20. Okay, so this is the answer. These problems are very interesting. Next. '19 Part G. After spending $1.70 of his pocket money, Arnav found that Arnav found that he had rupees 1.402 little to buy a box of pencil, which was priced rupees 4. How much pocket money had Arnav fast? Had Arnav fast? So let us read the question out another time. After spending rupees 1.70 of his pocket money, Arnav found that he had rupees 1.40 too little to buy a box of pencil which was priced rupees 4. How much pocket money had Arnav fast? After spending 1.70 of his pocket money, Arnav found that he had rupees after spending rupees 1.70 of his pocket money, Arnav found that he had 1.40 too little to buy a box of pencil which was priced rupees 4. How much pocket money had Arnav fast? That means uh, after spending rupees 1.70 of his pocket money, Arnav found that he had one for too little to buy a box of pencil. Okay, I have a doubt in this question here. I will solve it later. Okay, I am just leaving it for solve it later. So 19 part age, or if you can solve, just solve it and just let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'm facing some problem here. Okay, 19 part age, instead of adding 14 to a certain number, a student subtracted 14. His answer was 32. What was the correct answer? Instead of adding 14 to a certain number, a student subtracted 14. His answer was 32. What was the correct answer? Let us, or suppose the number, or in another method we can solve this. Now his answer is 32. So actually from the original number he subtracted 14 to get 32, but he had to add. So let me give you one example. So say for example, from 14 one boy had to add plus 2, but instead he subtracted minus 2 and he got the answer 12. What was the original answer? The original answer would have been 16, but his answer is now 12. So how much is the difference between 12 to 16? You have to add these two with this. So 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16. You will get the answer. So with 32, you have to add this 2 times. That means 32, sorry, his present, at present his answer is 32. So therefore correct answer was 32 plus 14 plus 14. Okay. Okay. So 32, 14, 14 plus 6 plus 4, 10, carry over 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. That means the original correct answer was 60. Okay, let us move on to the next question. 19 part I. Raja has ₹7 more than Manas. If Raja gives Manas ₹3, how much more will Raja have than Manas? So the answer, very interesting and very twisting. You see, Raja has ₹7 more than Manas. Like whatever Manas has, Raja has 7 more. If Raja gives Manas ₹3, how much more will Raja have than Manas? So Raja has is equal to 7 plus Manas. To equal these two, because Raja has more money than Manas. Okay, suppose you have 5 rupees and your friend has 3 rupees. So how much more you have? 2. That means if Raja has 2 rupees more than Manas, that means what? We have to add 2 with Manas to get the equal. Now Raja gives -3. Okay, to whom? Manas. Now how much more Raja has than Manas? Okay, so here, or if you want to solve it like in previous, r minus 3, 7 plus 3, 10 plus m, or no, 1 second. R minus 3. Just do this in the homework, okay? My brain is hanged up now. Do this in the homework and just let me know in the comment section how much you have, just tell me the way how you solve these two, 19 part G and 19 part I. Okay. I will try to make shorter video, but what happens, as it was a little longer, and we have solved and we have finished solving the exercise 1A in today's class. We will again start the new chapter, that is chapter 2, from the next class. Okay, so we will see you again in the next class. Okay, during that you just practice maths a lot. Okay, be good, be studious. Okay, bye bye.